Hi everyone, nice to see you all again. Today I came with another juice recipe that's skin glowing as well, using few different fruits. So let's jump into the video. Well, I love juices because if I want more nutrients to my body, I can't eat all of those fruits and vegetables. There's the only way. Make it juice and consume it. That's the only way. It's easy. If you keep eating it takes too long. For this skin glow juice, I have taken apple, orange, cherry tomatoes, grapes and pomegranate. I use here red grapes. Grapes and their seeds contain a good amount of antioxidants. They are 50 times more powerful than vitamin E and 20 times more powerful than vitamin C. This helps to protect the skin from pollution and toxin damage. This is also useful in the repair of collagen. Cherry tomato. Excellent fruit which reduce the sunburn, stimulate collagen production, may help fight cellular damage. Pomegranate is an antioxidant-loaded fruit, helps skin regenerate, detoxes the skin, protects against UV radiation, helps cell regeneration. Pomegranate protects against premature aging. Now the fruits are ready for the process. If you are longing for glowing and radiant skin, this is one of the collection of fruits that brings you a glowing complexion. It's very tasty, very tasty. You have to try this. I hope you love this video, and also don't forget to hit the like button there, and I'll see you in next video. Bye.